You are going to love the 2008 Solstice. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find cruise control, power outlet. The Solstice is a high-performance ride wrapped up in a daring head-turning design. Enjoy the Solstice's unique combination of powerful turbo roadster and incredible 28 miles per gallon fuel efficiency. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.